Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore how the Islamic Caliphate fell and what the world lost with its absence. The Islamic Caliphate once spanned continents, fostering a golden age of science, culture, and governance. Cities like Baghdad, Cordoba, and Damascus were centers of learning and innovation. Over centuries, the Caliphate faced numerous challenges: invasions, internal strife, and political fragmentation. The final blow came with the fall of the Ottoman Empire in the early 20th century, ending over 1,000 years of continuous Islamic rule. The absence of the Caliphate marked the end of a unified Islamic governance that had championed knowledge, justice, and cultural integration. The world lost a vital source of scientific progress, medical advancements, and architectural marvels. Without the Caliphate, the Muslim world experienced a loss of unity and direction. The cultural and intellectual exchanges that flourished under its rule dwindled, affecting global progress and mutual understanding. Today, we reflect on the rich legacy of the Caliphate and its contributions to world civilization. Understanding this history helps us appreciate the profound impact of its loss and the enduring importance of its values. The fall of the Islamic Caliphate was a turning point in world history. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content about Islamic history and teachings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more historical insights and Islamic teachings.